rollers, wire retracting and loose system, and electronic control system. The main body is made of HT300 cast iron. The vibration amplitude is reduced by 20% during cutting, and the linear speed can be increased to 40 meters per second. The rollers utilize a special lightweight, high-strength design developed jointly by Dinosaur and Wakyao University. They are 50% lighter than traditional rollers, yet can withstand 150% of the tension of traditional rollers. Their large diameter and low inertia improve cutting efficiency by approximately 40% and reduce losses by 68%. The 0.28-0.45 diameter ratio is used. The surface is made of a special synthetic rubber material for increased wear resistance, with 350 to 500 millimeters diameter rollers also available, paving the way for upgrades to next-generation wire saws. The electric control system uses self-developed systems and electrical technology. It is more energy efficient when combined with common bus technology, recovering the power loss during motor start-stop, saving 55% of electricity. Taking the lifting wire saw as an example. 1. Pre-startup inspection. Perform an empty load test run on the system to monitor motor current fluctuations and verify HMI interface parameter consistency. 2. Prepare for cutting. The first step is wire setting. During the wire setting process, the operator need to check if the wire entry into the slot. If any wire jumped out of the slot, they will be manually hooked into the slot. The second step is to run the wire, releasing all the wires so that the diamond wires can adapt to the roller structure. The third step is to set the cutting formula. Dinosaur machine has input more than 1 million square meters of cutting experience into its self-developed AI system. By inputting the size and hardness of the workpiece to be cut, the special cutting formula can be obtained and cut through SharkBrother, the unique AI algorithm. Finally, push the stone in and perform the aim for the cutting position. 3. Begin cutting. First, slightly cut the line into the stone. Fix the position and run the line in order to sharpen the blade before starting to cut. The second step is to check. The machine needs to stop every 2 hours to measure the wire loss and wire bow angle. The measured data is input into the AI system for calculation, and the formula is adjusted and updated to ensure the cutting quality and avoid problems such as bent plates and ripples. The third step is to stop the machine and insert the card after cutting 20 centimeters. Insert the special spacer into the gap. The last step is to tie the stone after cutting every 1/3 of the stone to prevent it from collapsing. 4. Unload the board after cutting. Inspect the machine. Prepare for the next material cut. Input data into the AI system for continuous machine learning. 5. Machine maintenance. Check the roller rods for looseness, the spindle for unusual noises, and the guide wheel rubber strips for wear. This ensures stable cutting for the next time. Damaged roller rubber strips require regrooving.